We understand that your family may be feeling the financial burden this year due to COVID-19, and we want to make sure that your application captures this information. If you believe that you should be eligible but did not qualify, I'm here to guide you through some steps and common errors which may have resulted in a denied fee waiver. First, let's make sure you are eligible. You must be an undergraduate applicant. To make sure that you have applied as an undergraduate applicant, log in to Cal State Apply and click on your name in the upper right hand of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Extended Profile. Under Degree Goal, make sure that you have selected First Bachelor's Degree. Now, navigate back to the previous menu and click on Personal Information. Then select Citizenship Residency Information. For citizenship, you must be a U.S. citizen or A. have a permanent resident or green card, B. are a refugee, or C. are undocumented but are a California resident. For residency, you must be a California resident and have been a resident for at least 1 year. If all the previous information was entered correctly, let's make sure you update your financial information with 2020 income earned to date. Note that independent students are to report their personal income, while dependent students are to report their personal income combined with their parents' income. Click on Financial and Parental Information. Number 1. Under Household Size, make sure you include all people that live in your household, including yourself. Number 2. Under Income Information, know that adjusted gross income is the total income reported in your tax returns. The untaxed income is any additional untaxed income received. If you have no additional untaxed income to report, please enter 0, because the dollar amount for adjusted gross income and the untaxed income should not be the same number. If you report the same dollar amount in the adjusted gross income field as well as the untaxed income field, you will not be eligible. After all 4 quadrants of your application are complete with a green check mark, and before you submit your application, click on the Submit Application Navigation tab. Then click Check My Fee Waiver Status. If the fee has been waived, the following message will be displayed. If you receive this message, you are ready to submit your application. If the fee has not been waived, you will see this message. If the fee isn't waived, you may submit the fee waiver appeal form. Please visit csudh.edu/explore for instructions.